MrBeast, known for his success on YouTube through his unique content and philanthropic initiatives, often provides guidance and advice to fellow YouTubers looking to grow their channels and make a positive impact. Certainly, let's dive deeper into each of the guidance points MrBeast provides to fellow YouTubers. 1. Focus on quality content. Creating high-quality content is foundational to success on YouTube. MrBeast's emphasis on quality means producing videos that are well-produced, engaging, and provide value to viewers. This can involve unique concepts, coming up with fresh ideas, or putting unique spins on existing trends. Production value. Investing in good equipment, editing, and attention to detail. Entertainment value. Ensuring videos are entertaining, whether through humor, suspense, or emotional storytelling. By focusing on quality, YouTubers can attract and retain viewers who appreciate the effort put into each video. 2. Be authentic and genuine. Authenticity builds trust and connection with the audience. MrBeast advises YouTubers to be themselves rather than trying to mimic others or presenting a persona. This involves being transparent, sharing personal stories, thoughts, and experiences, showing vulnerability, being open about successes, failures, and lessons learned, staying true to values, aligning content with personal beliefs and values. Authenticity helps differentiate channels and fosters a loyal community that resonates with the creator's personality and message. 3. Consistency is key. Consistency in uploading content helps maintain viewer interest and channel growth. MrBeast suggests establishing a regular posting schedule and sticking to it. Benefits of consistency include predictability. Viewers know when to expect new content, increasing engagement. Algorithm, favorability. YouTube's algorithm may favor channels that consistently upload. Improvement over time. Regular practice leads to improved skills in filming, editing, and content creation. Consistent uploading also demonstrates commitment to viewers and encourages them to subscribe for more content. 4. Think big and be bold. Bold ideas and ambitious projects can set channels apart and attract attention. MrBeast encourages YouTubers to think creatively and not be afraid to experiment with grand concepts such as record-breaking challenges, attempting feats that push limits and capture interest, epic collaborations, partnering with other creators for larger-scale projects, innovative formats, introducing new formats or styles of content that haven't been seen before. Boldness in content creation can lead to viral success and increased visibility within the YouTube community. 5. Engage with your audience. Interaction with viewers strengthens community ties and improves channel engagement. MrBeast advises YouTubers to actively engage with their audience by responding to comments, acknowledging and responding to viewer comments and questions, using social media, engaging with followers on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, incorporating viewer feedback, listening to audience preferences and adjusting content accordingly. Building a connection with viewers fosters loyalty and encourages them to become active participants in the channel's growth. 6. Incorporate philanthropy and positivity. MrBeast's philanthropic efforts have demonstrated the positive impact creators can have on society. He encourages YouTubers to consider integrating elements of giving back or spreading positivity into their content, such as charitable donations, using video proceeds or sponsorship funds to support causes, inspiring acts, showcasing acts of kindness or highlighting uplifting stories, promoting awareness, educating viewers on social issues and encouraging activism. Incorporating philanthropy not only adds depth to content, but also inspires viewers to make a difference in their communities. 7. Collaborate and network. Collaborations with other creators can expand reach and introduce content to new audiences. MrBeast advises YouTubers to seek out collaboration opportunities that align with their channel's themes or goals. Benefits include cross-promotion, exposing each other's audiences to new content and channels, creativity, boost, brainstorming new ideas and approaches with diverse perspectives, community building, strengthening connections within the YouTube community and beyond. Networking with other creators can lead to valuable partnerships and mutual growth opportunities. 8. Learn from failures and adapt. Not every video or idea will be a hit, and learning from failures is essential for improvement. MrBeast encourages YouTubers to analyze what works and what doesn't, and to adapt strategies accordingly by analyzing analytics, studying viewer metrics to understand audience preferences, experimenting, trying new formats, topics, or styles based on feedback and data, staying persistent, learning from setbacks and continuing to innovate. Adaptability and resilience are key traits for long-term success on YouTube. 9. Stay humble and grateful. Despite success, MrBeast advises YouTubers to remain humble and appreciative of their audience's support. This involves gratitude, acknowledging and thanking viewers, supporters, and collaborators. Grounded perspective, recognizing the role of luck, timing, and community in success. Avoiding ego, staying focused on creating meaningful content and fostering positive interactions. Humble creators tend to attract positive attention and build stronger relationships with their audience. 10. Have patience and perseverance. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and persistence. MrBeast encourages YouTubers to stay patient and committed to their goals by setting realistic expectations, understanding that growth may be gradual and unpredictable, celebrating milestones, recognizing and celebrating achievements along the journey, continuous improvement, constantly seeking ways to improve content, engagement, and impact. Patience and perseverance are essential for overcoming challenges and achieving sustainable growth. By following these guidance points from MrBeast, YouTubers can enhance their content strategy, foster community engagement, and maximize their impact on the platform. Each principle reflects MrBeast's own journey and success in building a channel that resonates globally while making a positive difference in the world. Discover daily inspiration and motivation. Subscribe to Motivation Plus on YouTube for uplifting content that empowers your journey. Join us today.